Filament are a product development agency based here in Glasgow in the UK. We help inventors all the way up to large corporations develop new products in the kind of hardware space. We work across a number of different sectors, from consumer electronics, industrial, healthcare, FMCG, and our clients are either well-funded startups or multi-billion turnover corporations. Our ethos is about joined-up product development, so it's about looking at all aspects of the design, engineering and strategic side and linking all that together to form not only beautiful looking products, but ones that function and ones that are fit for the market. One thing our clients find really interesting about working with us is that we see the entire picture. We're not just going in developing one section of it and handing it back. We're a development partner. We work with them from initial sketch all the way through to landed units.
As the company's growing, we're obviously looking at our software. There was inefficiencies with our previous CAD package for the platforms that we're using it across. So we started experimenting with Fusion 360. We'd never really used Autodesk products before, but we did run it concurrently with our previous package for a few months just to make that transition easy. We found it was really intuitive and the design team picked up really quickly, so it wasn't that painful to move across, which was great.
Fusion 360 really sits alongside the way that we actually design things and the way we think about designing things, the ability to jump between the industrial design, the kind of sculpt environments and the kind of heavy engineering side within the one package. It really sits alongside our workflow and helps us develop really interesting products. The Fusion 360 cloud platform has been incredible for our clients. It allows us to share the files in real time with them, get their feedback. It really kind of brings them into the development as a co-developer and not just a client. Well, we've seen that digital tech within manufacturing has made some massive improvements over the years. What we're looking to do is actually bring more of this in-house and more of the 3D printing and manufacturing side to allow us to kind of offer a wider range of services to our clients. Fusion 360 certainly has been a lot more of a kind of progressive platform, and we see that it will grow with us as we kind of grow the team, grow our services. The ability to kind of have a link up with manufacturing, prototyping, electronics, it kind of really starts to tie things together.